if you want to create a folder in the home screen on POCO X7 Pro, then all you need to do is first of all press and hold your finger on the first app that you want to add to the folder and drop it on the top of the second app that also will be added to the folder. And there we go, we have our folder created. Now of course we can keep dropping another app and another one to the folder. And furthermore, we can press and hold our finger in order to change the position of the folder. We can press and hold in order to find the edit button. And over here we can set the name of our folder. So let's say I'm gonna call it apps. There we go. Over here we can change the size. So this is the regular one. We can also make it enlarged and XXL. We can also enable recommendations if you want to. So if you choose, for instance, enlarged, let's save it over here. Then as you can see, the folder is bigger, but you can tap on these apps in order to immediately open them. So you don't have to go to the folder in order to open them. But in the case of enlarged, if you add the apps to the folder, then it works only for the first 3 apps here. As you can see, there is the 4th one. If you tap on it, then you actually go to the folder. So you need to open it from here. And if you choose the XXL, then you can still do that, but more apps can be opened immediately. So as you can see, this is pretty convenient. If you want to remove the folder, then you need to actually remove every app from the folder. So you want to open the folder, press and hold your finger on the app, and then drag it outside the folder, and then you can place it, for instance, in the home screen. Or if you want to, you can actually completely remove it by dragging it all the way to the top. So if I remove every app from the folder, as you can see, the folder is now gone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!